everyone, welcome back to Hoston. I'm JC. The cute machine behind me is CNC press brake model HPB-50T 1300 from Hoston. The electro-hydraulic CNC press brake has 50% energy saving compared with normal hydraulic press brakes. The X-axis positioning accuracy is 0.02 mm. Repeat positioning accuracy is 0.05 mm. And it is standard equipped with Y1, Y2 precision ram positioning. Otherwise, you can see there is a sheet metal frontal support, front and rear lighting, ESA630 CNC controller, Sony hydraulic valve block, pump and valves. So this machine combines with high accuracy, flexibility and reliability, offers low power consumption and less maintenance. If you need more advanced configurations, we will do our best to help you. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.